So I actually forgot to record my audio while opening the cardboard box and revealing the box inside. But yeah, that's okay because not a lot happened. I just killed a bug on the box and it smeared the blood all over the box. So you guys missed out on that, but you know what? That's okay. I'll just repeat what I said. So basically, I was just going over how good the value of the WL mice are, because with the mice you get um basically everything you need for your mouse to last forever, while Logitech and Razer, you buy the mouse and they just throw in a cable and extra grip tape. But all of my WL mice have been super, like they put, it feels like they put thought into their mice. So yeah, the WL mice have always been my recommendation for people who ask me what mouse to get, just because I know they're gonna get a solid experience and it's gonna feel premium when they get the mouse. So right away, the box is insane. Like, what is this? Super premium. Look at that photo, super nice. And right away we get an extra set of glass gates. Now, I'm not a glass skates kind of guy, so I won't be using them. But the skates that come with the Beast X are really good stock, so don't feel the need to buy a set of extra skates because it's unnecessary. You won't be needing them. And wow, look at this carrying case. I'm telling you, the value you get from buying a Beast X mouse is just insane. Because this carrying case looks insane. Actually, I'm going to save this for last. I want to see what else we have. Okay. So here we have, I think, just some manuals. Nothing important. Let's put that back. Hey, get back in there. There we go. And here we have grip tape. Now, the difference between the original Beast X and the Beast X Max is that there's actually different shapes of grip tape now. And I really appreciate that, because sometimes you don't want to cover your whole mouse in grip tape. You just want specific spots, grippy. So I'm actually going to be using these because, that's what I like. I don't want my whole mouse to be grippy. I just want the places where I grip to be grippy. So yeah, I really appreciate that. And yeah, that's probably on the newer Beast X as well. So don't be worried. Okay, it seems like the dongle and the cable are in this case right here. So, grand opening reveal. Oh my gosh, they covered it in foam. What is this? This is insane. This feels so premium, and keep in mind, this mouse is cheaper than the Viper V3 Pro. So, okay, so this is the standard Beast X cable. I'm already using one right now, so there's really no need for me to take this out. Why did I do that? Come on. Let's put this back in here. But yeah, this mouse is cheaper than the Viper V3 Pro, and just like, look at the quality already. The difference is insane. Now, time for the grand reveal. Boom! Oh my god! What is this? Wow! Wait, this looks so clean! Oh my god. The difference between the photos I saw while ordering this mouse and actually holding it in my hand is insane. What? Wait, this red is super clean. Oh my goodness. on camera this looks super red, but in real life it's like it's not red. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of got like a brown tint to it to make it look metallic. But the gradient, the low taper fade right here, oh my god, clean. The shape, oh, the shape. Yes, this is exactly why I ordered the mouse, because in my opinion, the best feeling mouse, and from my experience, the best feeling mouse of all time is the Viper V2 Pro, sorry. Just because of how sleek it feels. I love how low the mouse is for fingertip grip. But the Beast X, I wish it was a little bit longer, just because it's too fingertippy, you know? I want to have like a good balance between claw and fingertip. And while it's not bad, like I got used to it, I just needed to try a bigger mouse. So that's the reason why I got the Beast X Max. And it just fits in your hand super nice. Wow. That is insane. Okay, so look at the Beast X Max. Look at the regular Beast X. There is a pretty significant size difference there. And then the V2 Pro and the Beast X Max, it's pretty much the same size. I'm pretty sure the regular Beast X is just a bit taller. But wow. Right away I can tell that I'm going to be maining this mouse. And also, I don't know if it's because I've been using this mouse for longer, but the coating is a bit different. This one's slippery compared to this one. Yeah, I mean, it could just be because I've been using this one for longer, but this one does feel grippier. Like there's a bit of paint coat over the mouse instead of it just being metal. But yeah, right away, this mouse feels super nice. And another difference I noticed is that the scroll wheel is different. So on the scroll wheel on the regular Beast X, it's metal, but on the Beast X Max, it's rubber. And I'm pretty sure that's on the newer Beast X as well. But one thing I've already noticed, because it's rubber, is that it does not feel as tactile as the metal one. Like, the metal one is super responsive, but the rubber one is just like, it feels like a regular scroll wheel, is what I'm trying to say. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing. It feels like the scroll wheel on the Beast X Mini, but rubber. And although I do prefer the scroll wheel on the regular Beast X, just because it's more tactile, more responsive, it doesn't really take away the fact that this mouse is going to be insane, but I just wish they used this scroll wheel. Now, the dongle, oh my gosh, what is this Cybertruck? That is so clean. I hated this dongle. It was so ugly and it took up my whole desk. But, you know, I appreciated the fact that there was a screen. But honestly, like when do you ever look at the screen? So yeah, this Cybertruck dongle, insane. And what is this? Wait, what? I don't know how to read Chinese, but based on the photos, I think you can pair this mouse to more than one device. So you plug the main dongle into your computer, and then you can plug in the little one into like a laptop. What is this? Oh! Oh my goodness. Wow, what a crazy unboxing video. I was not expecting this. Now, I think these are PTFE skates, and then you get provided with the large grip tapes that usually come with the Beast X, and they give you some alcohol wipes. Wow. Just instantly, the amount of features this mouse comes with. Oh yeah, and don't forget to take off the film off your skates, because there's a very, very thin piece of film, and if you don't take it off, it's going to ruin your experience. So yeah, make sure to take that off. Oh yeah, and just to clarify, I did get the Omron optical version because, theoretically the optical switches should last longer. So yeah. But yeah, overall, I'm super impressed with the mouse. I did add my own skates, um, because the red on red looks super clean. You don't have to, obviously, the stock skates are just fine. And yeah, I'll come back with a review in a week or so. But yeah, my experience so far, super good.